Tribe, I want you to get ready to supercharge your draping business because we're about to take things to a whole new month. It is November, guys, and this month we've got an amazing lineup of exclusive trainings that are really going to help you skyrocket your skills and turn your passion into a six-figure powerhouse. Our theme for this month, guys, is organization, right? And what is that all about? It's about making room for the next level. And guess what, guys? Boy, do I have some jam-packed trainings for you. But there's only two ways that you can actually get access. Number one would be join my weekly podcast, Raising the Bar, every Tuesday on YouTube, where I share my expertise and my experiences on the weekly topics to really help you level up. Now, the second way is an exclusive opportunity where you'll get direct access to live mentoring sessions with me every Wednesday. Guys, it's a game changer, but here's the catch. These sessions are really reserved for our dedicated members inside the membership at level 3 or higher. But don't worry, guys, if you cannot make it live, guess what? You'll have full access to the replay where you can still ask your questions and you'll get top-notch feedback and whatever resource I have to offer, right? You can dive into the details in the description so we can level up together. So guys, for the actual mentoring sessions, here's a sneak peek of what's in store for this month's theme. Now, week 1 is all about creating a growth-oriented mindset, right? This is really the secret sauce to really keeping you moving forward, no matter what challenges may come your way. Now, week 2, guys, is really about decluttering your workspace. I cannot tell you how important this is. This is really all about setting you up for the most lucrative year yet. I'm going to share some actionable steps to really help you create a clear and focused environment that sets the stage for your success. And guess what? You don't have to break the bank for it. And guys, that's going to bring us to week 3, where we focus on financial organization and planning. Because I know I can't be by myself, but I'm going to ask you, do you find yourself wondering where did all the money go at the end of the month? If so, guess what? You're not alone. Because without proper financial organization, you're leaving money on the table that's unstable. That's why week 4 is important. And it's all about streamlining workflows for efficiency. This is all about working smarter, guys, and not harder. So I want you guys to grab your notepads because I got 3 key tips that I'm going to share that's going to help supercharge your efficiency during that week. But guys, in November, you get a bonus because there is 5 weeks. So in week 5, guys, we're going to cover the digital tools for productivity. Digital tools for productivity is key, right? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your tasks or you're drowning in emails or struggling to keep up with the digital world, guess what? This week is for you because I know exactly how overwhelming it can be, but guess what? It no longer has to be, right? But if the membership isn't for you, how about just jumping into my exclusive Facebook group? You're missing out on a golden opportunity if you're not there. It's the perfect space to really showcase your work and get invaluable personal feedback to elevate your skills and really thrive in the world of event draping. I want you to join us now and elevate your draping with everyone else that's inside the group. You can get those details in the description. Now, for those of you that keep hearing me talk about this membership but not quite sure what it is, I don't want you to miss out on this epic chance to really revolutionize your draping business, guys. Join us inside the YouTube membership to get access to all of the weekly mentoring sessions as well as exclusive videos. Okay, for those that want to join but not too sure which level to join, this is the rundown. Level 5, guys, get released a full draping tutorial every first of the month. Level 4 will receive exclusive content for tips and techniques every Monday. Now, level 3, guys, get live weekly mentoring sessions with me every Wednesday, and level 2 receive the behind the scenes footage every Sunday. Level 2, guys, is the supporters to get special bonuses and special perks just for supporting the channel. Things wouldn't happen without you guys, right? But hold on. That's not all because we got some incredible events coming up this month, right? First, we're going to start running contests, and our first contest will run next Monday on 11/6. So stay tuned for the details. Then our biggest Black Friday sale ever is happening between 11/23 and 11/29. You definitely want to check your emails and check the content for what we have on sale because you will be blown away. So that is the events that you definitely want to look out for during the month of November. But here is my final one, guys. I know you've been waiting for it. I've been talking about it. I'm super excited because I am calling all event designers and draping enthusiasts, guys. If you are ready to elevate your draping skills. This 2-day masterclass, I cannot keep saying it. I can't say it enough. It's definitely going to show you exactly how to level up to a premium draping stylist. You're going to be able to command higher prices and make more money. Say goodbye to struggling for clients, guys, and hello to building a real business that attracts higher buyers. You can grab your tickets with the link below. We're going to 7 cities. I'm trying to tell you, get in where you fit in, because these cities we will not be returning until 2025. Guys, it's time to raise the bar, okay? I hope to see you guys in the class or on the YouTube membership somewhere. Got to stay connected. So that is what I have to look forward to in November. If you have any ideas that you actually like to share with us, guys, drop them in the comments, y'all, because I love hearing what you guys got to say. After all, the Posh Academy's primary goal is to help you raise the bar. So I won't be able to do that unless I know how I can help. This is your girl, Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, signing off, telling you guys, keep draping with passion and purpose, because anything is possible. Bye, guys.